How to get refund from TradingView. Let's get started. If you're on an annual subscription and it's been less than 14 days since your renewal, you are eligible for a full refund. Just go to TradingView website, open the help center and contact the support team. Next, if you're on monthly plan refunds are not guaranteed but you can still submit a request, explain your situation clearly. TradingView will review it on a case-by-case basis. If you subscribe to TradingView through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you'll need to request a refund through the App Store itself. Each has its own refund request process, so follow their respective supports link. If you were charged but never signed up, this could be a billing error or unauthorized transaction. In that case, contact your bank immediately and reach out to TradingView support to report the issue. Before contacting support, make sure you have the following ready: billing info, purchase date and amount, your username and email address. This will help speed up the resolution process. And that's how you request a refund from TradingView. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.